generation of Lenovo Aura Edition, imagined with Intel, is out, bringing new and updated Smart Share features. In this video, we'll look at the enhanced Smart Share experience. To get started, install Lenovo Smart Connect on both your PC and smartphone. Most Aura Edition and Motorola devices come with Smart Connect pre-installed. If not, download Smart Connect for your phone from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, and download Smart Connect for your PC from the Microsoft Store. To pair your devices, connect them to the same wireless network. On your PC, open Smart Connect. If prompted, turn on Bluetooth. Select Add a device. Choose Pair with QR code to display a code on your screen. On your phone, open Smart Connect, tap Add a device, select Scan QR code, and scan the code shown on your PC. After a few moments, your devices will be paired. Next, enable Tap to Launch. In Smart Connect, select the profile icon in the upper left corner. Go to Settings and toggle on Tap to Launch. You can also assign the F11 key as a shortcut. When both devices are connected, simply tap the left or right side of your PC screen with your phone. Your phone's gallery instantly appears on your PC, giving you full access to your photos and videos. Transferring files is just as easy. Drag and drop between the gallery window and Windows Explorer. With Smart Share, you can now select and move multiple files at once. You can also right-click any file and select Download to save it to your PC's Downloads folder. Smart Share also introduces Tap to Pair, an exclusive feature on supported Lenovo Aura Edition imagined with Intel devices. Tap to Pair allows you to quickly connect compatible Bluetooth accessories, such as earbuds, headsets, and mice, without navigating through Bluetooth settings. To use Tap to Pair, make sure Bluetooth is turned on and your accessory is in pairing mode. The first time you use Tap to Pair, open the Smart Share app on Think devices, or go to Vantage on Yoga devices and then go to the Smart Share tab. Click on Connect a new device. Then gently double-tap the accessory against the left or right side of your laptop display. A pairing prompt will appear on your screen. Simply confirm to complete the connection. The first time you do this process, make sure Enable Tap to Pair for devices in the future is selected, and then click Done. Now you can gently double-tap a device in pairing mode to activate Tap to Pair without having to open the Smart Share app. To learn more about smart modes and Lenovo Aura Edition devices, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or visit pcsupport.lenovo.com.